Subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos.
Hi guys, this is Samyuktha. Here's a quick video on the ultimate makeup guide for the 10 best products that you can use. These are my favorite products. I've used these products to achieve the look that I have on me today. These are must-haves. I have curated them from years of experience. I've seen so many of the best makeup artists in our industry use them, and let's just dive right into what these products are. So here are these 10 most precious makeup items to get your makeup look on point. Number 10. It's a concealer palette. I use the one from Kryolan. You have different shades in them. So what does a concealer do? It actually is to hide your pigmentation marks, your acne marks, any kind of discoloration in your skin. And if you don't have any, then you don't even need makeup. So most of us, 99% of us, do require this for a little bit of color correction. Always test a concealer kit before you buy it. You have a variation of shades. See the one that suits your skin the best and pick it up. Don't just order it online without really testing the product on your skin, especially when it comes to foundation and concealer, because you could go wrong with the shade and your entire makeup look will not come out the way you would like it to look. So concealer palette is a must-have because it is the basis and it is the foundation of your makeup. So ensure you pick a nice concealer kit. Moving on, product number 9. My most favorite product to experiment with. Years and years and years of selecting what foundation fits you and you would never find the right one. I've settled down with a couple of them and I use them on different occasions based on how much of coverage I need. So if you're going to ask me what is coverage, it means the texture of the foundation goes with the texture of the foundation and how much it actually covers your skin. So the foundation that I would use for a regular function or an event is an Estee Lauder foundation. I also like the Huda Beauty foundation a lot. So you, again, like I said, you go test out the foundation, pick up a foundation which is very close to your skin tone. Try it on completely at the shop when you're selecting your foundation. After looking at it at the shop lights, step out of the shop and also check it with natural lights, and that's how you know which foundation is going to suit your skin the best. I know it's a long process, you would wish it was a little simpler, but trust me, it's completely worth it. Once you get your foundation right, your entire makeup is completely set. Let's move on to the 8th product, which is your compact powder. I like to use the M.A.C. I place the foundation and then just dab a little of the M.A.C. powder to ensure the look is completely set and matte. You could go for any kind of compact powder as long as, like I said, you match the shade of your skin tone perfectly. The key is to match the shade of your skin tone perfectly. Let's move on to product number 7. It's this tiny little pot. It's my absolute favorite. It's the cream blush. So this particular cream blush is from Bobbi Brown. I've been using it for a while now. Favorite, it gives you a nice healthy glow to your cheeks. It makes you look very healthy and vibrant, and it adds color onto your face. And the cream texture in particular gives you a nice glossy finish to your skin, and that's why I love to go with a cream blush any day. So obviously, again, like I told you, there's a lot of brands in the market from which you can pick up your cream blush, but my absolute favorite is this one. Product number 6, my absolute favorite. Now that we're done with most of the face, we're moving on to the eyes, and the eyeshadow obviously plays a very important part of your makeup. It needs to be highly pigmented, the color needs to speak. So Huda Beauty has a whole range of colors to pick from. You have the glittery ones, you have the matte finish ones. You could just go wild with these colors. This is my absolute favorite. So this is a must-have product. So let's move on to the next one. Product number 5. This is an extremely underrated product, but as far as I am concerned, one of the most important parts of your face is the eyebrows. Most people don't even brush it out after they do the foundation, and there are remains of foundation all the time sticking onto your eyebrows. So please ensure you do your eyebrows before you step out. This product, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil, it's a dream product. Again, a must-have. You can pick it up from one of the Sephoras if you can. And yeah, do not forget to not do your eyebrows. It's extremely important. Product number 4 is a nice mascara. The mascara that I use is from Lancome. It gives real high volume to your eyelashes. It has a lot of bristles. You can actually see your lashes going up in volume, which is awesome because it kind of really opens up your eye. Product number 3 is the Kajal from M.A.C. You can use it either above your eyelid and then just smoke it out, or below. There's a lot of variations of looks that you can do. You can even shade it all over your eye and give it kind of a smoky look. So this is again a must-have product that you need for your eye makeup. Moving on, product number 2. This is the highlighter. You can also buy it in a palette form and a powder form, but a highlighter is a must-have. It kind of pops up your cheekbones, your nose bridge, your T-zone, your cheeks, your pout of your lips. It kind of pops up everything. So you really need to use a highlighter, and you're going to have your entire makeup look complete with that. So go ahead and pick up a nice highlighter. Like I told you before, test everything that you buy. Don't just buy it online. Go to a store, check up how it looks on you, and then go to an online site and then pick it up if you want to. And the final number 1 product is of course your lipstick. Again, I like to go for a M.A.C, which is again highly pigmented, so it really textures up your lips and gives it a nice pout. So there you have it, 10 must-have products. So my 10 years in the modeling industry, I've done print, I've done ramp, I've done commercials, and there's a wide range of makeup products that we use through all these shoots. Sometimes you have self-makeup as well, and sometimes we are with the best makeup artists in the industry. And from all this experience in purchasing different products, experimenting, permutation combinations, I have found these products to be the best that you can use. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and really find the best makeup for yourself. Thank you so much.